I'm going to play with slime.
Covered in slime.
Oh no, I'm covered in slime. Oh, somebody save me.
Oh, the joy to save the day.
Let's do it again.
Stupid.
Maybe we can play with the pony with slime.
Okay. Whoa, so it's a kitchen. Whoa, so it's a
Oh my god. This is the tuna episode. My friend.
What are you doing?
Right there.
Whoa.
A big sign. A man.
Whoa. Lisi.
Okay, we're going to try again.
I'm gonna try again. Cool.
What's it? Ooh, look at you. My slime on you. What's you? Mom.
Sissy, put your foot down.
Hey. Dad.